Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Good morning, everyone. Let me introduce myself. My name is Sylvia Di Agustin. It's good to be here today. I'd like to talk today about student learning motivation in learning English by using Google Classroom. The author is interested in conducting research on students' learning motivation in learning English by using Google Classroom at SMP Muhammadiyah 29 Sawangan, Depok. According to the current world situation, online testing has been used to evaluate student progress in learning. This is a good opportunity to find out the student learning motivation, and the result is to find out the student's motivation to learn English during the pandemic using Google Classroom. The use of method in increasing student motivation during the pandemic. In the teaching and learning process, of course, the teacher must prepare the material to be delivered so that students are motivated to always learn English during this pandemic. The material used by the student of SMP Muhammadiyah 29 Sawangan refer to the curriculum, but modified in a fun way. From the result of interview that the author conducted with English teacher when giving subject matter, it did not always refer to a monotonous way. Sometimes students needed a way that made them happy to follow English lesson. Learning materials need to be selected so that students are motivated to follow the lesson, and each material requires a different strategy from others' materials. Before teaching, teachers are also required to master the material to be delivered. Various teaching style use a material or support in delivering English language material so that learning during the pandemic using online can take place optimal. Student learning motivation in learning English. A teacher must be able to foster student learning motivation because with the motivation to learn, students will study hard and earnestly. Learning motivation is important to support student success in the learning process. Teachers must pay attention to the circumstances and condition of students while studying. At times like today, many students complain because online learning is during this pandemic and many students are not enthusiastic about learning. In addition, teachers must also know and pay attention to which students are motivated and which are not when doing online learning. The teacher said in the interview that only 80% of students felt happy learning English using the online method. Constraints that students often complain about are their lack of ability in learning English and lack of enthusiasm in learning English. By encouraging students, teachers can create good communication with their students. Each individual has different in receiving sometimes. For example, different students when receiving lesson, different abilities have different characteristics. So it is better if the teacher understands the characteristics of each student in the class. Teacher effort in choosing online learning media during the pandemic. When the author conducted interview with the related teacher, Miss Winda, as an English teacher in class 8D. The teacher used the Google Classroom and Google Meeting application to carry out the teaching and learning process during the pandemic. Google Classroom aims to provide learning materials in school, and Google Meetings aims to interact between teacher and students during the distance learning period as it is today. The choice of media is Google Classroom, so students can easily take classes during the pandemic and distance learning. In addition, students can also learn new learning media at this time and facilitate the teaching and learning process. The selection of the right media can affect the success of students in understanding learning very well. In addition, the use of Google Classroom only change the learning media, does not change the material, so the teacher always motivates students to always be active in every learning and interestingly participate in distance learning. So, Google Classroom does not affect the material being taught. It's just that they are different ways of teaching and learning during this pandemic. In conclusion, from this finding, we conclude that motivated students are very eager to always learn. Motivated students also always want to follow the lesson diligently. Based on indicator of learning motivation, that students have motivation and always want to learn. That use of Google Classes is being used in online learning during COVID-19 pandemic. Based on this result, respondents said that the Google Classroom used in online learning in the midst of the COVID-19 pandemic was efficient because the application was easy to use. Using Google Classroom is a good way or alternative to do learning activities from home during the COVID-19 pandemic. Teachers and students admitted that they choose Google Classroom for several reasons such as easy access, not using too much internet quota, features that are good enough to support the teaching and learning process during the COVID-19 pandemic. Okay, that's bring me to the of my presentation. Thank you for attention. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi